Cherries, blueberries, and pie. Oh my! This won't feed a crowd, but would be super fun for a member that's soon to ship out or recently returned home. It's Wednesday and time again to bring the civilian and military worlds together in the kitchen. I'm Hannah, owner of To My Hero, a line of greeting cards that helps you build bridges of appreciation and respect to your military loved one. And in MRE Remix, we do something similar, building bridges in the kitchen with food. Be sure you click on the logo to the right to subscribe. Let's get mixing. You can follow us on Pinterest, on the blog, or you can download a complete cookbook of all the MRE remixes with links to the different MREs and where you can buy them. And so check it out. I'll see you next Wednesday.